Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to solo Anime Vanguard Legend stage. First, you need to thoroughly understand the specific enemy patterns and attack types present in the stage. Next, focus on building a team that balances high damage output with sufficient survivability to withstand sustained encounters. Finally, mastering the precise timing of your character abilities and ultimate skills is crucial for maximizing efficiency and overcoming challenging phases. This foundational knowledge sets you up for success. When building your team, select characters whose skills complement each other, creating powerful combos. Equip your characters with gear that offers significant defensive bonuses, aiming for at least 25% damage reduction across the board. For your primary damage dealer, ensure they have a minimum of 15,000 attack power to clear enemies efficiently. Don't forget to optimize substats for critical rate and critical damage for even greater impact. During the battle, always prioritize eliminating high-threat enemies, such as those with powerful area of effect attacks or healing capabilities. Strategically deploy your crowd control skills to interrupt dangerous enemy abilities and create openings for your attacks. Efficiently manage your energy resources, saving ultimate abilities for critical moments or boss phases. Maintaining awareness of the battlefield and adapting your tactics are key to victory. To truly master the Legend stage, dedicate time to practicing the most challenging sections, refining your ability timing and movement. Don't be afraid to experiment with various team compositions and gear sets. Sometimes an unexpected combination can yield better results. Consider watching high-level solo runs for inspiration and new strategies. Remember, persistence is key to overcoming these tough challenges. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those amazing meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.